outing went pretty well, actually. Quite happy. We had a first night at -10 outside. It was 19 in the RV, and it was, comfortable. Slept well. The kids too. Nobody has the sniffles. Everybody's in top shape, so for me it's a success.
Today's a beautiful day.
Yeah, Easter Sunday.
We were even just in sweaters outside. It was like +12, but with the sun it feels warmer. It's Celsius, very important. We're on our way home. We're actually almost home. So this will wrap up our Easter weekend.
First weekend
out. It was great. Our next outing was supposed to be in a month and a half, I would say, but more like 2 months.
Yeah.
So, and we decided to book one in the beginning of May, so like my birthday weekend, because we just can't wait to go back out there. So I booked one right as we were leaving the camping. I booked already another one. So yeah, we had a blast. The kids are super dirty. We ended up not having water because the campsite, the camping didn't turn the water on. We were supposed to have water. The campsite didn't turn on the water because it was too cold.
It's still
So
freezing.
we ended up dry camping for the weekend, which wasn't that bad. We kind of came prepared because we knew that there was going to be no drinking water at the camping, and so we brought some water with us, and
antifreeze.
And it was great.
Yep.
It was not a problem. Yeah. It was awesome. Very awesome. Yeah. We loved it. The kids loved it. The kids slept great. We slept great. Our new mattress, fantastic. If you're looking for an RV mattress, go with a
Xeno.
I don't know how to say it in English. Sinus?
Yeah.
I don't know.
It sounds like a
weird.
block nose, like
Yeah, like a sinus, but with a Z.
Sinus.
I guess sinus. In French, it's sinus. It's on Amazon. Jack, will you link it below?
Oh yeah, I'll send a link below.
We don't have an Amazon page
Yeah.
yet, but Jack will link something below.
Yeah.
Yep. So we had a blast. It was fun. We had the campfire going basically
All the time. Our new BioLite Fire pit was paid itself for the weekend.
We didn't film too much of it, but you'll probably see some shots of the BioLite.
Already, it's gonna be.
And it was so fun. It was so relaxing. It was so nice. Awesome.
Look at that neck. It didn't freeze. We are so lucky. It's a good little wine, a good little sparkling wine. Forgot yesterday in the fridge, and we got -10 degrees Celsius last night. So we are lucky bastards. I thought this morning, and I forgot it, that it was going to explode. We're lucky. Oh yeah. It's not even frozen. Ito na tabuhay na. Kitas pa isa. Faites-vous dodo?
On a paparazzi. So it's our first outing with the road trip, and it's -4 right now, and it was -11 last night.
This morning at 6 o'clock.
Yeah, so I'm guessing it was -11 during the night when there was no sun.
Yeah.
And we all slept very comfortably, and we're really enjoying ourselves. We just had breakfast. Our BioLite is rolling. We have a nice fire going, staying warm. The kids are inside watching TV or playing on their tablets.
You know.
We're having our coffee. It's lovely.
Where are we?
We are in
Bécancourt.
Bécancourt, in Rivière, in camping de Rivière de Gentilly. There's still snow here. You could probably see it behind us. Where we live, there's no more snow, but here we still have snow. So later today, we're gonna go for a little hike. Maybe we'll try to film something, and just relax today. We're leaving tomorrow. I'm guessing we're probably gonna leave in the afternoon. Relax in the morning and leave in the afternoon after lunch. If not, maybe in the morning. We don't know yet. No plans. We're taking it easy.
Play it by ear.
Yeah.
For those who were asking, does the BioLite really is smokeless? Well, here it is. You have the BioLite here. It's like fully caught on, no smoke whatsoever, just a bit of ash, that's it. And we have the traditional fire pit, which is like, I would say it's pretty well lit, but a lot of smoke. Barely smoke, a lot of smoke. Barely smoke, a lot of smoke.
Mais commence par un, deux, trois.
Chut! Non, non, non.
What'd you say?
Faut que tu mettes ton masque.
Yeah, I know.
Est-ce que c'est ton masque?
Viens, Valentin, viens-t'en. Valentin, voiture. Valentin, touche pas.
What's your plan? Do you need help? Mais là, faut qu'elle ramasse le il doit pas l'avoir. Avez-vous vu le solo stove?
Oui, je trouvais que c'était bien, mais on peut pas. Oui, c'est ça. Fait que nous, avec notre petite affaire.
Ouais, ça sent bon, hein?
Passeuse.
Moi, j'ai acheté à Decathlon, j'ai acheté pour lui aussi, puis lui, j'étais pas. J'ai acheté une paire à 100$. Tu sais, je sais pas exactement. Lui, il prend des pantoufles à 50$. C'est ça, je suis correcte avec les pantoufles à 50$. Tu comprends-tu?
Je comprends, mais des fois, c'est. Ça.
Allô, dis allô. Helicopter.
Mama, we want. Where? Where? Let's go.
Go, go, papa il est là. Go, go, go. Go, papa il est là.
Quand je t'ai dit on va aller, la première,
On est trail.
idée, c'était ici. Je me rappelle plus que c'était ouvert, le temps.
Hey, ce site, c'est beau, on est ici. Hein?